Hi friends, today we are making light French pan-fried banana beignets, a fit little twist on a classic cafe treat. They are crisp at the edges, soft with banana inside, and sweet enough for breakfast or dessert. This recipe makes 2 servings and takes 25 minutes from start to finish. Let's walk through the ingredients. 2 ripe bananas bring natural sweetness and the soft center that makes these beignets feel indulgent without much added sugar. 1 large egg helps the oat batter set and gives the beignet a delicate French pancake-like texture. 1/2 cup plain Fromage Blanc, divided, keeps the batter tender and gives us a cool French-style finish at the end. 1/2 cup oat flour makes the recipe more wholesome while still frying up soft and lightly crisp. 1 teaspoon baking powder gives the batter a gentle lift so the beignet puff instead of turning dense. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon adds warmth and makes the banana taste even sweeter. 1 pinch fine sea salt sharpens all the flavors and balances the honey drizzle later. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract gives the batter a bakery aroma with very little effort. 2 tablespoons sparkling water lighten the batter just enough for a tender little crust in the pan. 2 teaspoons neutral oil are all we need for shallow pan frying, keeping the beignet light but still golden. 1 tablespoon honey finishes the plate with a glossy French cafe-style sweetness. We begin the preparation by peeling both bananas. Mash 1 banana in a medium bowl with a fork until it is mostly smooth, because this replaces extra sugar in the batter. Slice the second banana into thick coins about 1/2 inch thick, so each piece stays creamy inside while it fries. Now that the bananas are ready, crack 1 large egg into the mashed banana and whisk until the mixture looks glossy and smooth. Whisk in 1/4 cup of the Fromage Blanc and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, keeping the remaining 1/4 cup Fromage Blanc for serving. Add 1/2 cup oat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1 pinch fine sea salt to the bowl. Stir just until no dry flour remains. Then pour in 2 tablespoons sparkling water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the batter is thick but spoonable. Let the batter rest for 5 minutes. This short pause hydrates the oat flour and helps the beignets hold their shape in the pan. After the batter has rested, gently fold in the banana slices until every piece is coated without breaking them. Set a medium non-stick skillet over medium heat for 2 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon neutral oil and swirl it into a thin sheen. Lay half of the coated banana pieces into the skillet, leaving space between them so they fry instead of steaming. Cook the first side for 2 to 3 minutes, until the edges look set and the bottoms turn golden brown. Flip each beignet with a thin spatula and cook the second side for 1 to 2 minutes, until puffed, golden, and cooked through. Move the first batch to a plate, add the remaining 1 teaspoon neutral oil to the skillet, and fry the remaining coated banana pieces the same way. Turn off the heat. Spoon the remaining 1/4 cup Fromage Blanc onto the serving plate, place the warm beignet alongside it, and drizzle 1 tablespoon honey over the top so the cooking is complete. These light French pan-fried banana beignets are golden outside, tender inside, and naturally sweet from the banana, just like we promised at the start. Serve them warm with that cool Fromage Blanc on the side, and enjoy them as a fit breakfast, snack, or simple dessert for 2. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more cozy healthy cooking.